Same thing. I always fill in that head joint right there. Just helps level both sides of the corner easier. Be a little too much, but it's okay. Hate the ditch though, so freaking crowded. Oh yeah, and I gotta pick up that side, don't I? Yeah, I gotta pick up this side. Extra mud on there. Okay, corner again. Sighting down it and just resting her on there. Okay. Didn't have enough off of that one to reuse that mud. Okay. Nice and clean. You know what I mean? Okay. So same thing, chasing this one across. Very nice. I mean, I know you're not supposed to beat on it, but the reason I do that is because it levels it all at the same time, makes it easy. I don't gotta go tap around on each one. It's just bang, bang, you're done. All right, we're gonna have to go down on you. Better. Better. This one, okay. Level now. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So, plumbing again, right on the middle. Plumbing down. You always go right down the head joints. Okay. Okay. It's kind of teetering on me. So a little cheat here. Since it's teetering, shove a rock in there. Oh, a little bit more. Yeah, I'm a cheater. Okay, plumb. I gotta come down the inside. Very nice. Okay. Clean that mud off. Don't want to get dirty. Now I gotta watch out for my rock plumbing down right on your corner. Gotta go in. Okay. Outside. And double check. Okay. Woo! It's a hot one today. It's supposed to be like 95. It's only like, I don't even know, 8 in the morning. I'm freaking cooking, bro. That one's good. Down the head joint. Sorry for if it's hard to see. I don't have much space up in here, you know. Okay. Outsides are touching on the outside here and here, not touching in the middle. You make that touch. Probably just go on the other side, huh? Oh man, hate this sometimes. Okay, touching over here, not touching here, touching here. So you just tap on where that block's at, touching. Now, here. Okay, we are going to tap you in. Alright. So, another way you know if you are plumb here on your wall, you can go here. Oh, I am not. What's going on? That's what's going on. That one came out on me. See, look at that. Double check, fix something. Yep, there we go. It's always good to be good that way too. Makes your walls nicer. I am in a ditch, it's not important, but showing you how to do it the right way. Now, I need to check my height on this corner. So I got a laser down there. I'll show you how to do that. I'm gonna go turn her on. So basically, that laser sits up 3 1/4 inches. And so you just add your 8-inch increments, 16, 24, you just add 3 1/4. So I should be 27 1/4. There it is. About 27. So I still I gotta come down 1/4 inch. That's all right. I got 3 courses yet to come down. Halfway up, you gotta put Durawall in. I have this pre-cut already. Called Durawall, wire, whatever. Apparently it makes it stronger. Apparently. I don't know. We'll trust them, right? Very nice, yeah. Okay, that's not gonna help me lose any, but gotta do her. Alright, I'm just gonna go fast now. I think you got the gist. You just watch me now. If you stay around to the end, I'll show you how to lay 6s on 8s. See over there how it steps back. So, but I'm just gonna try and zoom through this so I can get done. I want to get this batch laid before it gets too hot. I'm gonna go hang out at the pool. You know, be a good time. I don't want to work in the heat all day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Drink break. Best garbage can ever. Oh, you motherfucker. front and I hate grabbing them off the side. I ain't that strong, you know what I mean? So yeah, make fun of me if you want. Okay, clean her up. Clean her up. Clean her up. Okay. If you noticed, I was not too ginger with these because I have to come down. So I don't have to be too nice with them. Perfect. I'm learning Portuguese. My girlfriend's from Brazil. So all the time I'm just like trying to speak it. 1, 2, 3. Perfecto means perfect. 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 Okay, down the corner. Got to come out on you. Out. Come on. There you go. Come in on you. Oh, jeez. That dirt wall is making you hard to move, huh? Jeez.